Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's start drawing. First, I draw Pedro Pony, starting with his face and his ears just like this. Then I draw his little nose and his two eyes. Pedro is wearing his glasses, so cute. Oh, if you're having fun, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to support us. Thank you so much. Now, I draw his body and his two hands like this. Next, I draw his tail and some mud stains on his shirt, and he's been jumping in the mud. I draw his boots, splashing in the mud. Right next to him, I draw Peppa Pig. Let's start with her nose and her face just like this. Then I draw her ears and her big smiling mouth. I draw her two eyes. And don't forget some mud stains on her face. Peppa loves muddy puddles. Now I draw Peppa's body. There are so many mud splashes on her dress. Oh. Then I draw her tail and her little legs like this. And here's the big muddy puddle under her feet. Next, let's draw George Pig. Start with his nose and his face. I draw his ears and his two cute eyes. He's smiling. George looks super happy. Now, I draw Mr. Dinosaur, George's favorite toy. I keep going with George's body. He's jumping in the mud too. Next to them, I draw Susie's sheep. Start with her face and her ears, then her nose, and her cute eyes just like this. Now I draw Susie's body. She's playing in the mud with all her friends. Here comes Emily Elephant. First, I draw her big head and her long trunk. And don't forget her two big ears well. Then I draw her body with two hands and two legs splashing in the mud. Finally, it's Danny Dog's turn. I start with his nose and his face. Then I draw his two ears and his two eyes. Now, I finish drawing Danny's body. I'm going to use this black marker to make our drawing nice and clear. Now, let's color together. This is the fun part. First, I use dark yellow to color Pedro's skin. Then I color his clothes purple, pink, purple again, and his shirt is yellow. Now, I color Peppa's dress bright red, so pretty. Her boots are yellow. For her skin, I use pink, just like Peppa always looks. Next, I color Mr. Dinosaur with a dark green roar. For George's skin, I also use pink, just like Peppa. His shirt is dark blue, and his boots are red. Looking good, George. Now it's Susie Sheep's turn. I color her nose and dress pink. Her shoes are dark blue, and her face is gray with a little bit of pink. For Emily Elephant, I use light purple, so cute. Then I add some yellow, dark green, and dark purple for her clothes and boots. Finally, I color Danny Dog. His skin is deep gray, and his clothes dark purple. Don't forget the mud, and her friends, and the mud splashes on their clothes too. Yay! We're done! Great job, everyone! If you had fun, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun drawing and coloring. See you next time. Goodbye!